Tired of your Zapier automations grinding to a halt because you've hit the dreaded step limit? Let's break down exactly what Zapier's step limit is all about and how you can conquer it. Each action your Zap takes, from triggering an event to updating a spreadsheet, counts as a step. Free plans have super limited steps, and even paid plans impose restrictions, which can be a real bottleneck when you are trying to build more advanced, multi-stage automations. First, optimize your Zap. Scrutinize each step and ask yourself if it's truly necessary. Can you combine two steps into one using Zapier's built-in features or a more efficient app? Look for redundancies and trim the fat. For example, instead of multiple filter steps, try consolidating them into one using complex filter logic if possible. Next, explore the power of Zapier's built-in tools, like looping. Instead of adding repetitive, manual steps, you can use looping to automate repetitive tasks within a single Zap. This keeps your step count down while maximizing your automation capabilities. If optimization alone isn't enough, consider upgrading to a higher Zapier plan. Higher tier plans offer significantly more steps per month and often unlock access to premium apps and features that can further streamline your workflows. Compare the pricing and features to find the plan that best fits your needs and budget. By optimizing your Zaps, leveraging built-in tools, and considering a plan upgrade, you can break free from the step limit and unlock the true potential of Zapier for all your automation needs. Now go forth and automate. #Zapier tips #automation limits.